Okay, so this one is just like the last problem we did, except now we have x minus 3. So it says the parent function is f of x equals x squared, and g of x is x squared minus 3. Well, what does that mean? That means I'm going to go down 3 units. So here's f of x, and so g of x should be down 1, 2, 3 units like this. It should look something like this. Okay? Roughly. So how do I verify that? Well, let's graph it in the graphing calculator. So the irony is that I already have that in my graphing calculator. So if I turn this on, I'm going to hit y equals this button right here. And we just did a problem where we added 3, so now I'm just going to change that plus sign by moving my cursor over. I'm going to change that to a minus sign of subtraction. So now when I hit graph, it's going to graph my parent function first right there. So that's f of x equals x squared. And then, just like I said, it just shifted it down 3 units. That's it. So let me take a snapshot of that and see what we'll put that on here and see what we got. So I'll just post that right here. And so this is the graph. There's 2 things that you need to write in your notes. First, let's label this. So the purple stuff is f of x equals x squared. My blue line is g of x, which is equal to x squared minus 3. And then lastly, we should probably mention what the vertices are. So this vertex is at 0, 0, and this vertex is at 0, negative 3, which are also the y-intercepts. What did I do? Well, to put it simply, I shifted this down 1, 2, 3 units. So I went 1, 2, 3, right? This shifted down 3 units. Okay? So everything that I just wrote on that graph, including the graph, is what I want you to sketch out. And be sure to label your axes, right? Like this is the y-axis. You'd be amazed at how easy kids forget that. And this is the x-axis. So now we gotta zoom out a little bit and try to figure out which one matches that. Well, it's not this one because it shifted up 3 units. It's not this one because it shifted to the left 3 units. It's not this one because it shifted to the right 3 units. It's this one. Now, when you go to do this online, will it be this option Y every time? No, because it scrambles the answers. It's going to be the graph that looks like this. How do I know it's this one? Because the vertex is at 0, negative 3. And the parent function vertex was at 0, 0. Okay. So I'll give you guys a second to write that down.